And in another corporate development, the Enforcement Directorate has arrested former UCO Bank Chairman and Managing Director Subodh Kumar Goel on charges of money laundering. The arrest made from Goel's residence is linked to a massive loan fraud case involving over 6,200 crore rupees centered around the Kolkata-based company, now Concast Steel and Power Limited. The ED produced Goel before a Special Prevention of Money Laundering Act court in Kolkata. He has been remanded to ED custody until tomorrow, May 21st. The case arises from a CBI FIR alleging that massive credit facilities were sanctioned to Concast Steel during Goel's tenure at UCO Bank and that the funds were subsequently siphoned off through elaborate diversion tactics. The ED claims that Goel personally benefited from the scheme. According to the investigators, he received cash, real estate assets, luxury goods, and even hotel bookings, all allegedly routed through a web of shell companies, dummy individuals, and family members in an attempt to hide the illicit origins of the money. The ED had earlier conducted raids in April at Goel's premises and other linked locations. According to officials, the shell companies used in the laundering operations were beneficially owned or controlled by Goel as well as his close relatives. But do remember, this is not the first instance of a bank chief being arrested. Recent history has quite a few, if you can call them that, trailblazers. Let's look at some of the ones that have been taken into custody in the past. Remember, S.K. Jain, the former chairman and managing director of Syndicate Bank, he was arrested for alleged bribery back in 2014. There was also the case of Pradeep Chaudhary, a former SBI chairman, held in 2021 over defaulter asset sale. Then, of course, there was this case of Shamal Acharya, who's the former deputy managing director of the State Bank of India. He was also arrested in a bribery case in 2021. And I'm sure you would remember Rana Kapoor, the Yes Bank founder, who was arrested in 2020, again in a money laundering case. Then there was Yogesh Agarwal, IDBI's former chairman. He was arrested in 2017 for irregularities in extending loans to the beleaguered Kingfisher Airlines. Then, of course, the poster woman of India's banking sector, Chanda Kochhar, ICICI Bank's former CEO, she was held in 2023 for alleged graft. She's now on bail but under trial. And then there was, of course, finally the case of Ravindra Marathe, former CEO of Bank of Maharashtra, who was arrested in 2018 in a DSK fraud case.